So hi guys, welcome to our channel, and after a long time we're coming to with some cooking recipe today, and we are doing it together, husband and wife. She's the main cook, but I will just explain the dish today. As we all know, now summer is coming up already. We're entering summer in India, and it's time for some lovely cool milkshakes and ice creams. Speaking about ice cream, so today's video is all about some lovely kulfi that we know, Malai Kulfis. We all know about Malai Kulfi. So this is our recipe we're going to share. It's called the buttercream Pista Malai Kulfi. It's buttercream is of course buttercream, and pista is pistachio in short, and malai is cream, and the dish is called kulfi. That's simple. So we're not wasting time, let's start with our dish today. As we are in the kitchen now, we have nothing to do, so we said let's share some dish today, and it was very simple dish. We don't need too much of things, a few 4 to 5 ingredients, and we'll going to share this recipe. So watch out for the full video and do comment on our video, and do try the recipe and tell us how is the dish and how was the flavor you like it. This is good for the kids because instead of going out and buying kulfi from market, it's good to make your own malai kulfi at home. What we need now is a tea crocker whipped buttercream. Okay, this is from Canada. Actually, it's mentioned there Canada's #1. You can use any cream you want, any buttercream from India, but I'm using special from Canada the cream that my sister brought. So this is the brand. You can use any brand, but I prefer this. We prefer this one. Okay. Then we use
fresh cream.
We use the fresh cream from Delecta, the brand Delecta. Its dairy cream is better than Mother Dairy cream. I use Mother Dairy cream. Amul cream. This is much more thicker. We'll open and show you this. So we are basically using these ingredients. So this will be around 30 ml. Okay, that's 30 ml. So we're using 3 packets of this. It's going to be 90 ml total. That's going to be 90 ml. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of the buttercream, which is this. Okay, 1 tablespoon of buttercream, and 90 ml of this. And then we have, as we know that this sweet condensed milk. Okay, 1 tin of sweet condensed milk. This is 380 grams. See, that's 380 grams, the entire tin. One can condensed milk. And we're going to use pistachios. We can use any brand, doesn't matter, as long as it's pistachio. We're going to open. This is for the flavor. Then we're going to do toppings. So this is pistachio. I have to open it. Maybe a handful of pistachio. That's it. And for the essence, to give the nice flavorish essence in your pistachio is your cardamom, which is called the elaichi. We're going to use a couple of elaichi, maybe 15 to 20 elaichis, like max. So we need only ingredients 1, we need 2, we need 3, 4 and 5. That's all we need.
Yes, 5
simple. So let's start now. What we're going to do is we're going to remove the pistachio here. Take a handful of pistachio.
According to y'all, how much you want.
Okay, take a handful. How much you want? You want more flavor? You can add maybe just that's it. Okay. So maybe a handful of pistachios. And we can put cardamom, you can take 15, 20, or maybe you can add more. I think this is more than 20, 25. Okay? So let's say that's much enough. Okay? 1 tablespoon of cardamom. Now we have to grind this and then strain it. Okay, so as you can see, the cardamom is already grinded. We will strain this out.
Yeah, just put here.
Strain it completely. We don't waste anything.
So nice price.
Yeah, the fragrance is very good. So that is the cardamom flavor. That's your cardamom. Maybe you can say it's a 1 tablespoon. It won't even be a teaspoon. Not tablespoon, teaspoon. So basically 1 teaspoonful. Then we'll have to peel out the pistachios. You can get the ready-made grinded pistachios, which is already finely chopped. It's not an issue. But since we have the pistachio which is already in the shell, so we'll have to peel it. But you can also get from the market which is already peeled and grinded pistachio. So she's doing all the hard work, and I will do the easy work by eating. So Guys, do comment. And this is just it's summertime, very hot, so we thought of making some lovely pistachio ice cream. And trust me, it's good. Try this at home. And it doesn't matter if you don't have this kind of brand. Okay, if you don't have, you can use any buttercream, any brand. But I use this because since my sister bought this for me, so I'm using this. And that's it. Use this. You need a tin of sweet condensed milk, Nestle. And you can get any cream, whether it's Mother Dairy or any cream, but I use Delecta because it's very, very thick. The cream is very thick. And then, once we fill everything up, the batter, we're going to fill it in these small containers, these ice cream containers, we're going to use them. And trust me, it is very good for summer, after lunch and after dinner, for the children, they like all this. So it's good to make your homemade because it's more hygiene than rather than having it from the shop, where you don't know where is it made, how hygiene it is. So it's good to make everything at home. And since it's summer, so we said let's start with some video.
Most of the time for summer we are making homemade.
Yes. So since after a long time we're coming back onto the channel, so let's make something with sweet. Start with sweet, which is your ice cream. It's summertime, and soon I'll be doing some videos also on cooking, on Indian dishes, some nice mutton recipes coming up in my channel. I'll be doing that very soon, which is your I'll be using 3 to 4 ingredients to make mutton dish. Normally we see YouTubes like we have lot of masalas, lot of spices added. So in my channel I'm going to bring up one video from the mutton dish, which is going to be only 3 to 4 ingredients, and you can make the best dhaba style mutton. So that's gonna, watch out for my video, is gonna come out. So let's go back to the. So everything is done very quickly. See, it's all there. Okay, now we don't want to make it too much powder. Yeah, perfect now. You see?
It's perfect, perfect. See how the.
Yeah, we don't want to make the pistachios too much powder, not too much fine, and we don't want to make the pistachio also too big in pieces. So this is just like a roughly chopped. Okay, it should be like a sand. We'll use all this on your batter now. Let's start.
So now I just keep aside for a while all this one. So now let's start with the cream. See how thick the cream is.
See, this is what I'm talking about. Delecta cream brand is very good. The cream is very thick. Look at that. It's very thick, guys. The cream is very thick. If you use Amul or some other Mother Dairy, I used to use Amul, but it's literally like waterish. It has more water. The quality control is not good.
Of course, in abroad, in other country, might be also they have good quality.
But India, Amul quality, I don't know. I don't feel it.
Because we are in India, so we are using for this cream because it's very nice and.
So we're using. You can use your quantity as per your requirement. Okay, you can use how you want it. You can use 3 packets, 4 packets. We are using 90 ml of Delecta cream. That's 30 ml. This is 30 ml. Once we grind the pistachio, we can put all this in your cream when she shows you how to do it, and then we'll grind separately again. We'll take some again, 1 portion more of pistachio, and we'll make it grind again. That will be the second part where we're going to do the toppings. So this is going to be mixed with the flavor.
So by the time is I have to blend first.
So we have to blend the cream first. Make sure the cream is blended
before adding the condensed.
Okay, now we add the condensed milk, the entire tin. Okay, you can use. This is one of my favorite, Pistachio Malai Kulfi, which I always eat when I go to any restaurant or even shops. Malai Kulfi is my favorite.
Try this recipe, is so lovely.
Yeah. So guys, try this recipe. We mention everything on our screen.
You don't need to buy outside.
Yes. Okay, once it's done,
Nice.
everything will be mentioned on your screen. Just follow the step. See, is well whipped now. Once you get the texture fully creamy and is whipped nicely, now you can do the third step.
I can put the butter.
Okay, now we can add the buttercream, which is your 1 tablespoon full. You can use more, but this is, just keep in mind, this is very sweet. The buttercream is very, very sweet, and you have the, you also have this condensed milk is very sweet. So you don't want to be too sweet. You can add 1 tablespoon and a half. It's up to you. We are adding 2 tablespoons. You can add 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon according to your sweetness and richness. But we are using 2 tablespoons of buttercream. That gives you more buttery flavor, more creamy, more richness. So guys, my mouth is already watering, and trust me, Malai Kulfi is very good. Try this, everyone.
Now since I start for salmon, also good to make all this kind of ingredients.
So, as you can see now, we said let's do some, we had our lunch and then we said let's do some small video on a dessert, sweet dessert. Let's pick Malai Kulfi because we made chocolate ice cream already. So let's make this delicious creamy Malai Pista Kulfi buttercream.
So I have to mix with this one.
Now you can add everything. Add all the pistachio. We'll add all, and then once this is settled, we're going to take one more portion to crumble and to do the topping. Now you add all the cardamom, which is called the elaichi. We'll mix it first and then we'll whip it again.
So nice smell.
Now you can get the fragrance, the aroma. It's so freshening, mouth freshening. Okay, now you have to whip it again. Now once you mix, about, you can use it for about maybe a minute and a half. You can whip the cream nicely. The more you whip, the more better. So use it for maybe 30 seconds to 1 minute. You can whip it for 30 seconds to 1 minute now. Okay, now we have to fill the containers. Okay, so we have this small kind of shape ice cream containers. We have the small container, you can see this here, and you can fill this up here. Okay, now once we fill this up, we have to freeze it, and once it's frozen, then we have to add a separate pistachio crushed and then do the toppings to get the flavor.
See, just slowly, just go like that.
Keep adding. You have to fill it till the top.
Yeah. See, I can cover it. So
Now you'll add it again. That's it. Now we'll fill up everything.
according to them, what
You can put it in this container. You can put it on your ice cream container. How you want it. You're going to make it as a brick. Whichever you want to put it, whichever mold you want it, you can put it. And then we're going to fill these containers up. And once we fill with it, remaining we're going to put it in a nice glass container or maybe on the this mold. We're going to use on this mold. We're going to fill this up. So we can have it both. For kids, it's good this they can enjoy. Guys, it's very easy recipe. There's no too much work. Simple step, and it's quick and easy. Within 7 minutes to 5 minutes, your dish is done. In 5 minutes, you can cook this pistachio. You know, we can. It's just that we are doing the video slow, so it's showing you. But otherwise, in 5 minutes, you can make this lovely sweet dessert called the buttercream Pista Malai Kulfi. So we're gonna fill this up. Pour it all. Now you can put some more pistachio and drop it on top. Yeah. You just do now keep it aside now for a while. So this is done. Now we're going to take out one more portion of pistachio and then grind them again and just sprinkle it on top of it. So guys, so as you can see now, we have taken around 200 grams or 150 grams of pista, okay, and you've ground it again. And now we're going to put it on the topping here, okay, sprinkle it all. We already have the pista mixed already, but this is for the toppings, just to get that nice greenish green kind of lovely flavor and texture.
Yeah.
Okay, you can add more, you can add how much you want. Okay, just add, just sprinkle, because people who love pista, I love pista, I love pistachio. So you can put more. Okay, we're going to refrigerate this. We're going to open one here. Okay, let's refrigerate. Now, we'll open one here. We're going to take one out.
Now it's already fridge for 2 hours.
Okay, yeah, this is already done for 2 hours. We have refried this one already. If it's too hard, then you just have to put in the water for a while because it's too hard frozen. Oh, you just press it. You just press from here and it pops out. There you go. Okay, so that's empty. Okay, and that is your Malai pista. Okay, I'm not sure you can see in the light. This is your Malai pista. Now we're going to do some toppings on it. Quickly toppings, sprinkle some toppings. You can add little, you can add more, how you want it. Okay.
Yeah, I think that's enough.
Okay. Now, wow. So this is your buttercream Pista Malai Kulfi. Okay, with toppings with pista and home cooked and made, and my son is already mouth is watering there. So we're gonna give him the try. Raiden, could you try it?
Yes, I'm trying one. Wow.
Huh? Lovely?
That flavor is just creamy. That texture is really good as well. It tastes like ice cream and it tastes exactly like kulfi.
Kulfi, thank you. So let the mom taste it.
Try it, Bison.
Even my wife's kurta is matching her the ice cream pista. She has the Malai pista.
Please try this recipe, guys. So yummy and tasty also.
So guys,
Good for summer.
yes.
Wow.
So we're gonna, without wasting time, we're gonna fill the same thing on all the other ones and then freeze it again. Okay. So
I'll put it.
guys, if you love the video, please give it a like, thumbs up, and share the video. And as you can see, the recipe, 5 ingredients in 5 minutes. If you like it, please give a like, thumbs up, and share the video, and do comment on the video, and do try this dish out if you like it. So, and do let us know how's this dish, how's the Malai Kulfi. Okay.
Thank you so much.
So guys,
for
bye now.
watching.
Bye bye for now
Bye.
from the Tweedie's family. Take care and watch out for my next video with some amazing mutton Bihari dish coming up from my side. That's also a quick secret on that. So guys, see you bye. Bye for now. Bye bye. Take care guys.
Bye.